Today we got a 2010 Youkon XL or Dinali GMC SUV, large one. I'm going to show you how to change these bulbs in here for the tail light. First thing we want to do is open the hatch. It's a little tricky sometimes. Inside here, the jamb, there's two Phillips head screws. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Now these aren't the only things that hold the light in. There's some pins that hold it in. I'm going to show you how to get them out. So these come out real easy. Going to get them out. And once we get these out, first we're going to try to wiggle it because some come out easy, some are difficult. Depends on the pin setup it's got. So I'm just going to grab it, see if it loosens up. We see this top piece is connected. So it looks like we're going to have to take that off. There's Phillips in here up top. Yep. We're going to take that out. That goes over top, so we're going to take this one out. So that's the third screw. All right. Now that that's all loose, the trick to getting these lights out, there's clips in here that hold these, so you want to kind of give it a little push with your hand. So that's the key. You don't want to hit it too hard. You want to hit it just enough to get it out. And I just loosened this upper piece. You may have been able to get it off without it, but... And once the light's out, now you can pick whichever bulb's out. There's four. We'll say this middle one's out. We just twist it. Pull it out. Just twist it. Pull it out. Then you pull the bulb straight out. I'm doing this with one hand. Pull that bulb out, and there's little numbers underneath on the bulb, or you can take it to your local supply house. And you put that bulb back in. Just twist it. And you can see there's these pins here that hold it. One on the top, one on the bottom. And they go in there, the quarter panel. So when we put it back together, we want to make sure that they go in first. You don't want to force nothing. Those pins are important. They hold it in. I'm going to get them lined up. It's a little dark in here. Once we get these lined up, then we can go ahead with the screws. Start putting them back in. 1, 2. It's really simple. And the third one up top for that little cover. We'll tighten it up. And bada bing, you could change a bulb on this in just a few minutes.